Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the world of landscape design. Landscape design is a way to enhance the natural beauty of an outdoor space while also adding function and usability to the area. Whether you have a large yard or a small patio, the native landscape design can help you to create an outdoor oasis that you can enjoy for years to come. First, let's talk about the benefits of landscape design. A well designing landscape can increase the value of your property, improve the aesthetic appeal of your home, and provide a beautiful and functional outdoor living space for you and your family to enjoy. Landscaping can also help to conserve energy, reduce maintenance cost, and protect the environment by reducing the amount of runoff and erosion that occurs of your property. Next, let's talk about the different elements of landscape design. A good landscape design will include a mix of hardscape and softscape elements. Hardscape elements include things like patio, walkways, retaining walls, and other features that are made of hard materials like stone, concrete, or wood. Softscape elements include things like plants, flowers, trees, and other features that are made of soft materials like soil, mulch, and plants. When designing your landscape, it's important to consider the climate, soil type, and the amount of sun and shade that your outdoor space receives. This will help you to choose the right plants and landscapes elements that will thrive in your particular environment. When it comes to garden decor, there are many fun and creative ways to add personality and charm to your outdoor space. One popular trend is also incorporate purpose or recycle materials into your landscape design. For example, you can use old tools, bottles, or even cement blocks to create unique garden figures, sculptures, and garden borders. Another trend in garden decor is to use craft to add personality and interest to your outdoor space. You can make your own bird houses, bird feeders, or even garden stakes from items you have lying around your home. Lastly, wood is another popular material for garden decor, whether you are using wood to create a beautiful garden bench, trellis, or even a wooden garden bed. The natural warmth and texture of wood can add a cozy and inviting feel to your outdoor space. With a little creativity and planning, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional landscape that you will love for years to come. Whether you are starting from scratch or just adding a few new elements to your existing landscape, the possibilities are endless when it comes to landscape design.